Hello. Evening for you. It's your friends. All right. Hear my sound clear? Is that clear? Yeah, you can always chat. You can always reply me. Okay, good. So, okay. So welcome to ProJack TNT Sunrise weekly webinar. Right. If you wonder how you can have the links for every webinar, you can join my Facebook group, right? And my Facebook group will be my signature page. Okay, you can go to my profile, TNT Sunrise. Right, I just realized I have more than 50,000 followers. Right, that seems it's the first time I have such good number of followers. Hit 50K. Wow, that's I don't imagine. I can't imagine. It's not expected. Okay. All right, you can join my Facebook group here. You can click just any of my ideas. Okay, it's here. Okay, it's here. All right, and for those who are joining by headphones, can you, turn off your camera? Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, otherwise I have to stop video for you one by one. Okay, who is the first time here? Who is first time here? Listen to my webinar. Mammy, okay, yeah, and you are my latest students, right? Just of today, you just joined our students group today from Madagascar, right? Yeah, a big welcome to you. Yeah, that's far. But this is a global village, right? It's not far, and we are all connected by the forex markets. All right, and that's why we are coming here. Okay, so first of all, okay, don't forget, okay, I'm going to review all the pairs and a couple of future products. All right, because we all know that. Okay, now, okay, FIFA, the World Cup ended. Okay, congratulations to France. Also, congratulations to Belgium and Croatia. Okay, one of my favorite team. Although they lose, last night, but I still feel that Croatia really plays good, right? Okay, so now FIFA is over, and I think the traders will have been more active in the markets, right? And let's go to see what will happen today, this week first, okay? Because today's Monday, and it's good to to check all the economy data first. All right, so I'm going to just let's check in the investing.com. All right, and with filters all these important countries. Okay, Eurozone, France. Okay, Hong Kong. No need. India. No need. Japan, New Zealand, Russia. No need. Singapore. No need. South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States. Okay, apply filters. Let's just focus on three. 3-star. Okay, so here today we already have China's GDP, right, which is 6.7%, same as the forecast. Okay, and the industrial production, okay, is 6%, which is it's not looking good. Okay, and A30 already published the core retail sales, okay, which is 0.4. Actually doesn't change. And Tuesday we have New Zealand CPI, so this will be very important. okay, for the Kiwi. And tomorrow have Carney speak from Bank of England, and also their average earning index. Okay, Cameron count change, which is our labor data. Okay, and also Wednesday we have GBP CPI important, Euro CPI important. Okay, building permits also important. Okay, crude oil inventories Wednesday always. Okay, EIA every week. Thursday we have Australia employment change and GBP retail sales. Okay, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index important. Okay, and Friday is only Canada. Okay, core CPI. So these are the major economic events. Okay, so if you want to trade dollar, Kiwi, Aussie, sterling, euro, okay, Canada, okay, be aware of these events publishing time. Yes, I'm recording. Yes, thanks for reminding. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Someone just use the endless function. Okay, so again, guys, do we need to trade the news, or do we need to trade before the news? Are you going to gambling? Are you going to, yeah, you see the NG, the Kiwi, the CPI is 0.5% forecast. So I bet tomorrow, the Kiwi will have a better CPI. So let's try to long Kiwi. Is this a good strategy? You don't wait for the data to release and you trade by just looking at the economy calendar. Who can tell me? How many of you once gambled news or guessing the news? Raise your hand. Okay, so I strongly disagree to gambling the news. Okay, but we do have to be aware of the news. Okay, and we have to watch the market before the news happen and prepare those important levels. Okay, see whether the levels can sustain or broken or not. Okay, so don't gamble. Don't gamble. All right. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Okay, first of all, let's just go to the DXY, the dollar index. Okay, today I'm going to cover the cryptocurrency first. All right. Okay, let's a very quick review of DXY. Okay, DXY looks not so good for the buyers because it has complete phenomenal looks like a triple top. It looks like, okay, pay attention to my words, looks like the first top, this is a second top, and now it might be a triple top, but it hasn't break the structure first. Okay, so the neckline was not broken, but very obviously there's a pin bar here. Okay, it's a second time try, but cannot break 95, and today it just went below. Okay, the good news for the DXY is, okay, we can see strong support from 93.84 this stone. Okay, the price trying to put a double top, but it failed. Okay, you see break neckline, but hit into the supporting area and it just goes back again. Okay, so this might be a correction. Okay, if the correction just stop here, okay, listen carefully. If the DXY correction just stop at 94.13, okay, yep, it will be a very good sign. Okay, because the price will just consolidate here and then have another tranche of impulse wave and it break up. Okay, it might test this downtrend line first. Okay, so now the DXY, guys, do we have a triangle? Can you see there's a triangle? Do you agree that it is actually a good place to buy DXY when it hits into the triangle's bottom? Okay, give me some response. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes up. Okay, so watch for the DXY correction to 94.20 and see whether we can buy for the DXY. Okay, it still is higher lows but lower highs, so it's squeezing. Okay, no, I won't say this is a Libra pattern, but just to be aware that if we want to buy the dollar, we do want to see the dollar to break 93.50. Okay, this structure is very important. Okay, this structure is very important, right? Whether it's a Libra pattern, while I won't say that a Libra pattern should appear or occur here in a in a middle location. Okay, if we compare that, you see the highest from 103 to the lowest part 88.27. Now, guys, what is the location? Do you consider this as in the middle or in the high or in the low? Location. I'm talking about location. It's still in the kind of low to the middle, right? Because yeah, it's very obvious. Okay, we can just take the whole zone into 3 portions, right? Right, kind of in the middle, but gathered from a low, so it still have a lot of room to go upside. And if a Libra pattern occurs here, just like what they did last time here, okay, and I will agree that yes, this will be a Libra, okay, kind of this, okay, but smaller time frame, you may feel that yes, it looks like a triple top as I mentioned, but the important thing is you have to watch the neckline. Okay, so just this is our conclusion. The DXY will maintain squeezed. Okay, price may pull back to 94. Okay, and you have to watch the price action to see whether it can sustain from this triangle's bottom and have a buy from here. Okay, okay, let's talk about the cryptocurrency first. Okay, because today I just published a chart in the BCH, which is a Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it's an alternative, or substitute of Bitcoin. Okay, and the BCH have complete or Garlic pattern here, right, which actually gives a very nice reversal from 670 level. Okay, and the moment I published here is about 720, and now it's 771. Okay, and don't forget the BCH actually are now it is in a very good investing zone, which is here about from 600 to 680. Right, this is a very strong supporting zone because this is origin of the last bullish move, the origin of the bullish move here. So a lot of buyers, we can see here there are buyers accumulate here. Okay, and now the price trying to break this zone, but it failed. Okay, so what does this tell us is the BCH is going to have a rally, and it may break the whole downtrend line. Okay, it may break the whole downtrend line. Okay, so I'm very positive on BCH. So guys, if you have any accounts in cryptocurrency exchange, all right, you can buy some BCH. That's my suggestion. Okay, so how many of you listened to my advice today? Have you checked this? Yeah, when I publish it's a 719, right? If you buy, boom, it just give you profits. It just give you profits. It's actually a very nice, you see, strong rally. Now you have notification active from TV. Very good, Jim Che. All right. And the same for let's check what the ETH doing. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, the Ethereum says the same thing. Okay, they actually have a second test of the previous low. Okay, which is 419 here. Okay, and strong rally. So we can also see the ETH is kind of forming a bottom formation. So yeah, buy the low. For the EOS, okay, EOS, I said there's a double bottom field, and the moment I publish, I want you guys to pay attention to this 6.92 level, the 0.618 of the two bottom and buying the 618, And I also said you can buy now, right? You can buy US now for neckline retest, right? This is a neckline. When I publish, the chart is here at the 7.26. All right, and now it's ready to 7.82. Okay, could you give targets for ETH? All right, this very simple. Okay, of course your first target will be the previous high about 498 or 500. The second target you have is a strong resistance area about 520 to 550. Then you can just look left and set your targets. Okay, but you can have a more aggressive targets from other way, the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, 570 and 670. Hello everyone, Hậu Sĩ Lệ. Are you from Cantonese? Are you Cantonese? Hậu Sĩ Lệ. Good. Yeah, English please. English please. I know you're China. I'm saying Cantonese. Cantonese means people from Guangdong province. Okay, so you don't understand what is Guangdong province. Okay, Guangdong people we call Cantonese. Okay, 粤语 we call Cantonese. That's the English pronunciation for 粤语. All right. I know you're Chinese. Okay, don't act cute. Okay. Yes, Cantonese, and we have Hokkien. Hokkien means Fujian. All right. 好犀利，好犀利喎。Okay, so the target of the ETH, you can set target at 570 and 670 as well. Okay, that's simple. And we have very, very strong resistance at 673. Okay, I know your English is poor, never mind, just watch my chart. Okay, it's okay. Okay, BTC, okay, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, as I said, if you notice my latest update from here, okay, I said, yeah, it's supporting by 6,200 very well from the 2618 trade, okay, and here it is, okay. We can see, yeah, for people who missed the opportunity that buy from here, because the last time I said we buy from BTC from here, 5,904, right, okay, and have very, very nice return from 5,009 to 6,008, that is $900, okay. And if you miss this trade, right, you can buy it back, or you can buy it from 618 level at the 6,002 if you understand what is a 2618 trade. And again, this proves to be very, very successful 2618, and I think the BTC, the Bitcoin will have a more strong rally later on. Okay, anyone holding any Bitcoins currently? Holding any long positions from 6,200 or 6,000 or 5,900? Okay, again, I want to highlight, okay, if you hold any Bitcoin from 6,000, okay, you better hold it tight. Okay, hold it tight because this is a strong supporting zone, which is the last origin of this pullback and rally, okay. We are going to see a strong rally for BTC at least to 8,000 level, I believe. 9,000 or 8,750 level, right? So enjoy the returns, enjoy the rally. Okay. All right, good. Okay, so time to check the commodities. All right, let's go to gold. Okay. Gold, always we are using the top-down approach. Okay, how many of you still remember the last time when I say the gold is super bearish because the 89 EMA was broken and it's going to drop? Okay, reply me by 1 if you remember this chart. You can see the price at 1.1267. You see. Right, and now it's 1.240. The price just keep dropping, right? There's some buyers, but the buyers all be killed by the sellers. Okay, so again, from weekly chart, guys, this is still very, very bearish. Okay, lower highs and lower lows. Okay, some people say, all right, there are some support from here, but I can tell you from the price section, the support is become very, very, very weak now. very, very weak, right? Because you can see the buyers come from here, the buyers come from here, you see, okay? There's nothing the buyers can do. You can just push the price to the place and just attract all the sellers to sell again. Okay, so go to daily chart, all right? You see the 1,240 is kind of broken, right? It's already broken. Now the price today just going up, retest, but cannot make higher high, and after more consolidation, the gold will break down, right? So just be prepared. The gold may break down anytime. All right. So with this in our mind, okay, the main strategy for gold for this week is still sell. Bearish, sell. Okay. Of course, you can go to 1 hour chart to find a good place to sell. For example, the beautiful structure at 1,244. Okay, if you notice that I have teach you guys how to use structure in my webinar. Okay, and if you are my pro trader transformation course students, you know what structure means. Okay, structure means, okay, we have support, okay, bulls, buyers from here, come down, buyer is gone. Okay, buyer is failed. Okay, and just wait for the pullback and sell. Okay, pullback and sell. Yes, silver is bearish. I can tell you guys, silver is bearish because you can check the weekly chart. This support from 2018 January. Okay, it's actually a half year support was broken, and look at it here. In the last week, the silver tried to pull back. Can you see this pin bar here? Give me 5 if you see this pin bar. You see the pin, the shadow. All right. Can anyone tell me that what does this shadow mean? It means the previous supporting area has become what? Become seller's control, right? Yeah, people sell from here. Yeah, become resistance. You're right. Okay. So as long as silver cannot go back to 16 onwards, okay, it will maintain bearish all the way to 15, 14.50, or even 14. All right, this is what I mean. Okay, so silver, be careful, don't buy it. Okay, you may feel that, yeah, compared with 20, now it's 15, it's quite cheap, but I can tell you there will be a cheaper price for you to buy. Okay, just like what last time they did. You can see there's a super long pin going to 14. All right, so I will strongly recommend you to buy silver when the price goes to 14. And nowadays, focus on sell. Get it? So the person who asking for silver, okay, you better remember my answer. Okay, let's check oil. Okay. We have a very, very nice short from oil last week, which is at 74.50. Anyone here short oil from here? Anyone? Anyone? If you check my trading view, I have followed this trade thoroughly from the beginning to the end. Okay, this is the first time I sell oil. I say, yeah, at July 3rd, okay, when oil break the wedge, I said, yes, pull back, let's short. Okay, and immediately it give us a pullback. Okay, it looks like it's going to hit a stop loss, but you just need to have some faith. Okay? We are selling high, we are not selling low. So from 74.50, you earn, now it's 68.73. Okay, so this is a trade that we are going to catch. guys. Yep, you can close at 71. I mean, that's also very good, right, Joe? No need to you no need to regret it. You say, oh my god, I closed too early. It's okay. You already have a very nice risk and reward ratio. You earn money. Lost your position at 71 points. Okay, lost position here, right? Okay, so yeah, so this is a very good example of showing, if you have a very nice entry, right? You try to keep a little bit portion of it. Okay, don't sell them all, don't close them all, because once you close it, it's none of your business for the further gain. You just close, you just shut the door of the future wealth. Agree? Yeah. So actually, this is my habit. I will actually keep asking myself, is this position, the entry is good or not? If it's good, all right, I'll just take some profit here, take some profit there. Okay, but I will always maintain some portion, okay, to enjoy the further, the further gain. Okay, so the logic of this trade is very simple and very consistent, which I have demonstrated a lot of times. Okay, this is a wedge. This is a wedge. Okay, you see the wedge was broken. You wait for the pullback, and where do you wait for the pullback to? 618 level plus the structure here, 74.50 here. This is the best time to short. And if you missed this first entry, it's okay, because guys, there is a Gardy pattern here. If you remember what is Gardy pattern, right? This is a beautiful Gardy pattern. Sell here, boom, you earn money. And then the price will just give you another 618 pullback. You see here, 73.86. You just short here, stop loss above the high, and you enjoy. And now it's 78.67. I think it is good to take some profit furthermore, because it hits into some support here. Okay. It is not hit stop loss, of course not. Stop loss is above the pin, right? If you check here, stop loss above 75.30. Did the oil break 75.30? You tell me. The highest point is 74.90. Why did you hit stop loss? It's never going to the price. Osama. Okay, 75.30 above the pin. There's no price going to touch the stop loss, right? Yeah. Okay, I won't suggest you to buy oil now just because there's structure here, because it's still bearish trend. And don't forget, the oil rallies from point from here. Okay, so this is origin of the bullish move. If you really want to long oil, you better wait for 66.50. Better wait for here. Okay, because still have some room for the oil to keep dropping. Bearish trend, don't buy, don't just buy because there is support. You see, people buy the support from here, stop, lose money. Okay, buy from here, lose money. Okay, buy from here, also lose money. That's actually the market tells you, which direction it moves to. All right. So oil, today's strategy is, if there's a pullback from, if there's a pullback to 69.26, all right, you can take another short. As long as the bearish trend still maintains, just keep short to 66.60. Dealing, okay? I hope you don't be so, aggressive. If there's a bounce, all right, just finish, just escape your longs, okay? Because it's still too bearish. Don't catch a falling knife, okay? When the double bottom is not formed yet, when there's no bullish signal yet, there's no pin bar, there's no inside bar break up, okay? We have to find some bullish signal first before you take a reversal, or the reversal has complete a bad pattern or harmonic pattern. Okay, so guys, is there any harmonic pattern here in this chart? Can you find it? Can you find any harmonic pattern? Maybe, yeah. Maybe here we have a bad pattern, right? Maybe. Okay, hits. But the X point is not good. So I would rather choose this, the whole swing from here. Of course, it didn't actually fit into the criteria of the bad pattern because the B point is not yet hit 38.2% yet. But pay attention to the 618 level. Okay, I will expect there will be some support from 68, right? There will be some bounce, or there may be a reversal, but it will not be late. Okay, to wait for the price. Okay, you have to wait for price to break the downtrend first. How to break a downtrend, guys? Let me ask you, how to break a downtrend? What scenario will you see if the downtrend was broken? You will find a higher low, or you will find a lower low. Yep. Yes, you have a higher low. Okay, so listen. Okay, this will be always a good practice. Okay, so when you go to work, or when you go to school, or whenever you have a time, okay, just find a pencil, find a pen, and write in the white paper. Okay, don't always rely on computers. Okay, this is how I master all the trading stuffs. Okay, I use pen. I draw it by myself. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you. All right, in a bearish trend, okay, the price will have a lower high and a lower lows, right? And how when we are going to buy the dip or buy the reversal. Okay, you don't try to buy when the trend is still continuing down. Okay, you have to wait for the break of the trend line first. Okay, and then it may have a second time of test of the previous low. If this second test cannot break the lower low, all right, this might be your first buying opportunities and a low risk buying opportunities. This is the first chance, okay, because your stop loss will be just below the low of here. This is the first, all right. The second chance will be, okay, you see the price rally very well, okay, and has to break a new high, okay, and form a double bottoms, right? So the second chance of buying is buying the neckline pullback, or sometimes it may pull back to 618. Sometimes it may pull back to the 618 level. All right, so the 2618 trade here, the neckline was here, all right, and then you may have another rally, retest, pullback, a buy, okay, all the way. The third time comes here. Okay, so these are the typical, how we capture trend reversal. Okay, especially when the downtrend, when the previous downtrend is very, very strong. Okay, you don't try to buy from here or here or here or here. Don't try to buy the low. In the bearish trend, we are always focusing on, okay, selling the lower highs. Okay, selling the lower high. And when the price goes into very low location, take all profits here. All right, this might be your last selling from here, but once you see the second test of the previous low cannot break new low, okay, just close all of your short positions, get ready for a buy. Is it cool? Okay, you can draw this, keep, okay, you can draw these patterns, all right, simulate the trending patterns over and over again with a pen and with a blank paper, right, to memorize how to perform when trend is continuation, when trend is reversing, right? Practice makes perfect. All right, so tell me, How many of you, all right, are you going to do this practice in the coming week? At least, okay, draw it completely for 2 times, 3 times, or 5 times, right? Come on, it's just some kind of drawing. But trust me, it will give you very, very good results. All right? Okay, good. So applying this knowledge, right? Are we going to buy the oil now? Do you think this bearish trend now? Do you think this bearish trend is continuation or it is reversal? No, it may have a pullback, but we just keeps going down until find a place hitting to a very, very strong support area here. Okay, and after a battle, okay, after a combat, or after, you know, after a very, very strong we call fight from the bulls and the sellers. Okay, the bulls were trying to, you know, keep this zone not broken, not making lower low, and the sellers were trying too much to sell, break through this. Okay, but if the buyer win, what you will see is you will always see this. You will see this. Okay, and sometimes you have another, you know, pin bar here. Okay, so I will be very, very interested to buy this pin bar plus a second test of the previous low. I will be very, very interested to buy here. Do you understand where I come from? All right, you have to ask yourself, if you buy here, or you buy here, okay, you have to ask yourself which one gives you the, you know, more confidence or better entry. Okay, you see, if you buy the oil now, okay, you have question mark. Is this very low? No, it is not. It may goes to here, it may goes to here, or it may also go to here. Okay, you have to ask yourself, are you buying really low, right? But if I buy after the sellers have shows this trend but cannot break new low and reversed, and have a second time for the seller to try to break but I failed, form the pin bar. All right, now my question mark, I can put a yes. Okay, so I really want you guys to understand the logic, understand your mind map. Okay, actually, before every trade we take, we have to ask ourselves, am I doing the right things? On, you see the oil is still dropping, it's still dropping, right? We have to ask, okay, it's bearish and still have more room. The bearish not finished yet, so I want to sell the high, sell the high, sell the high, sell the high, sell the high until the price hits into very strong support. I want to take all the profit, and I want to see whether I'm interested to buy. In what kind of in what kind of scenario I want to buy is when the price have a second test of the previous low and fail to break new low. All right, this is, trust me, this is your best timing. All right, in the stock market, we always say that the timing is very, very important, right? How to catch a timing. You have to understand the wave, the trend, and the bulls and the sellers. Have they already have the fight? Who win the fight? Bulls or sellers? Or bears? Okay. Remember this? All right. Good. Okay, let's move on to currencies. Okay, let's go to euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar now, similar as the dollar index, are having a triangles. Okay, are having a triangles. Okay, and now the euro has, you know, pulling back to the neckline here. It looks like it is bullish, right? Because higher lows, but it still didn't give a higher high. So the important level for euro is still 1.1780, this zone. Okay, I doubt this zone will be penetrated because this is some place where the Draghi made the announcement, and the ECB, you know, telling us the euro will not increase interest rate until next year's September, or, you know, July. All right. So strategies, okay, you can use the 618 level to find a place to short. And I think, yes, it hits the 618, 1.17229. All right. So here, guys, listen carefully. If you want to sell euro, you can sell it now. Okay, this is live trade. Okay, let me just complete all the trading elements and I'll show you how to write a good trading plan, right? Okay, so first of all, euro is in triangle. Okay, second, okay, it's still lower high. Third, okay, price pull back to 618 level plus the neckline. Okay, so our entry now is 1.1713. Okay, our stop loss will be about 1.17, let's say. Okay, to be just to put above 1.1803. Okay, the risk is 90 pips, right? The risk is 90 pips. For every 200 US dollar risk, how many lots you can have is 200 divided by a standard lot size pips value for 90 pips. Okay, so it's 90 pips times 10, because for one lot euro, 1 pip equals to 10 US dollar pips value. Okay, so 200 divided by 900 is 0.22 lots. Okay, that's it, done. Okay, you can sell 0.22 lots per $200 risk. Okay, and you just ask yourself how many $200 you want to risk in this trade. TP, very simple. Okay, so next time, when you see some people asking, where's your stop loss, where's your target, it just shows that he's just so innocent, he's just so, lacking of knowledge. All right, TP1, all right, use 1 time of the risk, which is 90 pips. TP2, 2 times of the risk. Okay, 180 pips. Simple. Very simple. Okay, so from 1.1713, you just deduct 90, deduct 100, and you have the 2 targets. Yes, maybe you're right. Okay, wait for the triangle to break out or break down, right? Is very, very good idea. Okay, but with some approach from this double top and the neckline plus the 618 plus the previous strong resistance here plus there's some fundamental analysis. Okay, it's okay for us to take this trade, right? Or if you want to be more conservative, you can wait for the price to break down, retest, and sell it again. Okay, don't sell low. Okay, sell the pullback, sell the high, and don't buy the high. Okay, if euro just break our stop loss, okay, buy the dip, buy the pullback. This is always what you can do to increase your winning ratio by buying low and selling high. Understand, mommy? Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to sterling. All right, sterling. Okay, we have a trade last week and it was a hit stop loss. Okay, I think we sell from here 1.3190. It hits my stop loss on 1.3280. Very bad. Okay, just hit my stop loss, but we are able to to re-enter the trade when the 30-minute chart have a bearish engulfing candle here and the testing of the previous rally base drop this supply zone. Okay, it formed the engulfing candle and I said yes, we can sell it now. Now we have profits and you can just hold your short all the way to 1.32 or 1.3170, right? So just follow the sterling trade, right? This is good to short from here. No need to cover, sorry. Yes, only need to cover the body. You are right. You're just comparing the closing price. Yeah, closing price. Good. See, now sterling is dropping very well. Okay, just hold. Anyone of you short from 1.3270 or 1.32890? Anyone? Give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so 1.5 means 1 lot. You sold 10 lots. Just joking. All right. Remember, you have to still calculate the risk, calculate the correct lot size. All right. If you don't know how to calculate the correct lot size, all right, you go to my YouTube. Right. Let me just show you. Okay, you can go to my YouTube, or you go to search ProJack. Okay, and you can see here there is a video here. Okay, go to my channel. Go to my playlist. There's a ProJack trading class. Okay, and you just find the Jackmaster. Where is it? Jackmaster. There's one tutorial for that. Let me see. Where? Yes, here. Okay, Jackmaster 1.0. How to install Jackmaster 1? I have already released the downloading links here. You can just download the EA and you follow the video tutorial. Okay, follow the tutorial. Okay, you see here. You need to copy the files. Okay, copy the files into the MT4s, the expert folder. Go to the folder. You go to MQL4. Okay, here. MQL4. Go to the experts and install it. All right, and after that, all you need to do is very simple. You just need to choose your maximum loss. All right. Okay. Tell him whether we have sound or not. I think he just don't know how to use Zoom. Wow, splendid short from Sterling. Very good. Very good. Right. Instantly we covered, 40 pips loss already. And due to the small risk, right? Actually, if we short from 70 to 30, 70, stop loss 30 pips, you can short, 0.7 loss and you earn, 40 pips. That is already $280, right? It's covered just all the loss. Okay, so that's the beauty of a smaller risk and a better reward. Okay, and I hope you enjoy the short. Okay, go to dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is very strong last week. Very, very strong bullish candle here. So I will be no doubt to buy the dollar yen from 111.40 to 111. Okay, so if there is any pullback here, buy the dollar yen. Understand? If there's a pullback to here, find price action to buy it, long it dollar yen, buy the low. Okay, because the price is going to take all the sellers from here and climbs to here, 117. I think it's easy for the dollar yen to go back to 117. Okay, don't short, still bullish trend, buy the low. This is a very typical structure breakout and retest trade. Do you agree? Breakout, retest, buy. Gold. I already told you gold is going to break down. Why you ask it again? Did you join late? I said the gold focus on short, like 1244. Then this structure is so good. It just keeps falling. There's no good support of gold. So the gold will easily go to 1,002, 1,180, and 1,140. All right, this will be my target of this gold. We just go there. Okay. All right. Aussie dollar, as we know that Aussie have some economic data this week. All right, so just to highlight the range. Okay, the Aussie has a range from 0.7480. This is acting as a very strong, selling orders zone, and the support from here 0.7320. Okay, so it's about 200 pips range. All right, so sell high. Okay, sell high. For the Aussie, you can use these patterns. You can use this pattern to sell. I will say yes. Okay, sell the high, or you can buy the low from 0.7320 when first touch. First touch you can buy. Okay, second touch you don't buy. Second touch you may just break down. For Kiwi, tomorrow we have Kiwi's CPI, same thing. Okay, for the Kiwi dollar, focus on 0.7080. Okay, find price action here to short. Why? Besides the structure, guys, besides the structure neckline, what else we can have to short NZD/USD? What else we can short? Give us this very good, Joe. 618, right? Yeah, very good. 0.6807. Okay. Yes, so this will be a 2618 trade. Okay, sell high because dollar is strong. Very good. Congratulations. You're learn very well. Right. Dollar Canadian. Okay. Dollar Canadian, I will say yes. If you want to buy, you can buy it now because 1.3050 is really good place to buy. Okay, if you want to buy dollar Canadian, you better buy it now because the price has already tells you 1.3070, 1.3050, very strong support, and now the price has already pulled back to 618 level. See here, 618 pullback, 1.3123. Okay, so you can continue to buy dollar Canadian. We stop loss below 1.3040. Okay, we can just buy it. Simple, good. Because oil is dropping, and I think Canada will be weak. Okay, Canada dollar will be weak. All right, last but not least, okay, stocks, indices. Okay, guys, short S&P now. Because this morning I have already told my students, Mr. Chu. Okay, Mr. Chu, are you here? Give me one if you are here. It seems that you are not here. Yeah, this guy is my student. Okay, his name is Lao Chu. Okay, but he's a guy in Canada. Yes, and he's in our group. Joe, you remember who? He's in our group. I just cannot find the members here. See, let me just. Where is him? Where is he? Yeah, I see here. Yeah. And he said, okay, this is how I actually help him to have a very nice profit trade today. Okay, the morning the S&P gaps up and breaks the previous high of the last week. Okay, and he said he was stopped at 2008. Okay, I don't know how many of you are stopped from 2008, but the moment I saw there is in 30 minutes chart there is a double top forming. Okay, this is the first top. This is the second top, and break down. All right. And I told him to sell the S&P from 2803. Do you understand? Well, why did I say this? What kind of trade is this? Which strategy do we apply? Answer me. Yes, 2618, and also, you know, neckline, right? Neckline structure, simple structure. Okay. Boom, hits 2008, right? And now it's just, wow, beautiful. 100 pips. Okay. And we all know that for one contract, you are shorting 50, no, 50 shares. Okay. So S&P dropped $10, you know, one lot, he win $500. Easy money, and now can take some profit, right? And now let's go to 4-hour chart. Did you see the price, you know, making a double top again? And do you also find that the S&P has broken the neckline? Sorry, broken this uptrend line, didn't it? No, I'm saying dollar yen. You buy the low and aim for a high. And recently, the dollar yen S&P not so correlated. Okay, very good, Joe. ABCD patterns, right? And I do believe that, you know, S&P, it failed to break the high of here. 2008 is very strong, very strong. This is narrow and shows bearish signals. So, you know, short S&P, okay, and aim here. Okay, if you are comparing S&P and dollar yen, let me just give you a hint. Okay, I'm saying that we can buy dollar yen where, guys? Just now, Juan. Just now when I analyze dollar yen, did I say we can buy dollar yen from where? Yes, 1.40, right? From here, right? Good. And do you think that when dollar yen goes here, and since these two things are very, very much, you know, correlated, will the S&P come here? Do you think they works the same? I'm telling you to buy here, but you can short S&P here. But I don't want to short dollar yen because still strong, right? And the dollar yen moves not so fast as S&P. The room here is bigger than shorting room here. That's why we can sell S&P and get ready to buy dollar yen. And when the time we enter the dollar yen buy, we are taking profit off the short. Is this beautiful? Or is this, you know, smart? A smart move, just like you are a chess player. You have to make every steps very smart move. All right, there's logic here. You have to understand the chart. Okay, very good. All right, so yeah, S&P, I'm bearish this week. Good for the sellers. Joe, are you selling? Yeah. Who said that he's shorting from 285? Oh yeah, Joe is already sold from 2805. Wow, congratulations. Right, all you need to do is take some profit and find pullback and sell again. Right, take some profit and find the pullback and sell again. Right, good. And I noticed that okay, let me just give you an example. All right, so guys are okay, here's what I'm going to do. Right, so because you guys know that I have posted some photos on Facebook, okay, and some of people just, you know, may have some doubts or whatever, okay, because in my album, right, I actually post everything, okay. This is my RNF number, okay. I'm a registered representative in Singapore, okay. You can see this is all the codes that I can do, right, okay. And here, these are other, you know, withdrawal history, right, of my live account. Here are 418648, okay, live. All right, and look at here. Okay, this is all the withdrawal request sent history. Okay, so in order, I mean, if you are looking at the charts of the, you know, this graph, okay, this are, you know, the net value of the trading account, right? You can look at here to check whether this account is doing good or what, right? Yeah, the equity curve. You're right. Yeah, you can do this. You can check the whatever the equity curve, right? You can see I trade. Okay, big drop. This drop is not loss. It's just withdraw, and withdraw. Okay. So another approach to check whether this person is a good trader or not is you can just checking his withdrawal history, right? So this is a photo, right? Okay, I'm going to just do it in live, right? So all right, this is my email. Okay, this is my email, my Gmail here. Okay, and I just need to show you. Okay, MT4. Let me just type MT4 count withdrawal request send, right? Okay, you can see here from that is before the 217. Okay, we just don't look at we start from this year. Okay, January 3rd, right? Okay, so I'm going to do. Let me just okay. Sorry, I cannot split in the window. Okay, let me just give you some. Okay, just show you all the other withdrawal history here. Okay, it's too many of them. All right, and in June is really very good month for me because I made a lot of good trades in June. Okay, the gold, the sterling yen, right here's okay, all of them. Okay, all right, you can see here. Okay, let's go back from yeah, it's here. Okay, January. Okay, you can just read out the number. Can you see the number? Guys, these are all real history. January 3rd. Okay, 1,005, 5,000, 286, or it's nothing. 3686, 16,000, 807, 10,000, 3,003, 15,000, 3,000, 12,000, 12,000, 24,000, 7244, 26849, April 26849, May 22517, May 11 25,000, May 22nd 20,000, June 5th 26, June 7 12,480, June 8th close to 3K, June 13 4K, June 18 6,001, June 25th 30, June 28th 445, June 29 1,009, June 29 20,000, July 3rd 2861, July 6th 5K, and July 11th, okay, 4898. Right, so you can roughly know whether I'm a live trader or not. All right, I can tell you that all of them are generated by the trade I publish in TradingView most of the time. Okay, and all of these profit are generated by the account between 5K to 10K. All right, so is it possible that you can just have this kind of earnings, day after day, week after week, month after month? All right, and you may have a question that, wow, since you're so you're doing so well, why are you waste your time, you waste your effort in giving webinars, giving seminars, giving free tips on TradingView? And there's one guy, okay, who is very I can say I don't know how does his mind grown, okay. He's saying that he's making a kind of a conclusion, right? First, okay, since Soros, okay, and POW tutors, which are very, very good, you know. Okay, it's a legend in trading, right? Didn't give any free tutorial or, you know, ideas in TradingView. Okay, and they are very successful trader, right? So he concludes, so all the traders, all the people who, right, okay, who give, you know, advice or, you know, trading plans in TradingView are not successful. This is logic, right? It's very, there's no logic of here, right? What does this link with, you know, a successful trader must cannot give any advice in TradingView? Who said that? Right? If okay, by telling, I mean, by proving that his conclusion is nonsense, we just, all we need to do is we just need to, you know, to make a false example, okay, of his conclusion. Okay, we find a successful trader, okay, who is giving tutorials in TradingView. Okay, just need one, anyone. Do you agree? This is the math, right? In order to prove something is wrong from somebody's mouth, okay, if he say, okay, all of the traders, all the successful traders, because all the successful traders won't give any, you know, comments in TradingView. Therefore, all the traders in TradingView who give any advice are non-successful trader. Okay, to prove this is wrong, we just need to make a false example, right? Okay, so I mean, you all know the answer. Okay, by looking at all the history here, okay, I can say I'm very satisfied with this kind of result. Okay, by trading consistently, by trading, you know, with knowledge, with patterns, with discipline, with trading plan, with all the trading system that I teach. Okay, and this is real, right? This is real. And look at here in June, just in June, right? 30, 601, 40, okay, 28, 12, 26. No, I don't like a Lambo. In Singapore, right? Singapore, you don't have much place for you to drive, right? But in China, right? I mean, anytime I can just, you know, get a Lambo to drive, but I don't need to buy one. I don't need to hold one. Okay, so the reason I'm here to giving webinars is very simple, right? There's something called sharing, right? Sharing and education. Okay, if there's no teachers in this world, right, what happened to our kids? Right, if nobody are sharing the knowledge, sharing the experience, right, how to help other people to gain. Yep, and yep, very good. You see, can anyone just post the photo that we have last Saturday? Do we still have the photos? Sorry, this is my, you know, my desktop version. That is here, right? You can see we just have a nice gallery in Singapore. Okay, yeah, 8 of us. We go to Sembawang Shopping Center and we have a very nice lunch, and we made some, you know, I made a small tutorial for, and I'll answer all the questions, right? And I believe that the people, right, you guys are benefit, okay, not only from the food, right, but also from the answers that I made, okay. So this is just tutorial. This is just an example of showing that how do I, you know, give my mentorship to my students, and why I keep doing my webinar live every week. All right, so that's good. Okay, if you want to learn my strategy, you can go to harmonicasia.com. Okay, and you go to, you can just check for the course information. Okay, Pro Trader course. Okay, it's all here. It's all here. I have all the profit trading systems to, to pass to you to make yourself a good traders. Okay, or at least let you understand how to making profits consistently. All right, these are here. You can join my course anytime. Okay, because now the course are online. You can study anytime and you can receive my mentorship afterwards for free. And another very good news. Okay, so if you understand Chinese or understand Mandarin, guys, all right, if you understand that, okay, I'm very happy to tell you that there is a match going on here. Okay, this might be a very special live trading contest or competition, right? And we're going to host this contest in Shanghai, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Tokyo, and Sydney. All right, basically all the Asia countries or the financial centers. Okay, we're going to invite three crews of traders, three groups of traders. Okay, one is a first trader, one is a sub trader, and another one is a strategist. Strategist. Okay, to trade live, to trade in live for 1 hour. Okay, for 1 hour every month. Okay, all right. If you want to join, you want to join the Shanghai's contest at end of this month, July 27th. Okay, you can actually, by creating a live trading account with IFM Trade, which is Australian broker. Okay, if you are the first three, okay, if you hit the top three, you will be invited to the tournament site. Okay, and all the people will, we have 200 people watching this tournament at the same time live. Okay, and all you need to do is to trade a 100,000 demo account, okay, but with a risk of 6,000 US dollar, and see who can win the battle, who can be the most, productive team in that 1 hour live trade, okay, which is July 27th, Friday evening. Okay, all kinds of strategies are welcome. You can use any strategies. You can use elite wave, you can use resistance structures, you can use, support, you can use supply demand, you can use whatever harmonic, okay, whatever to win, whatever to give you profit. But just be reminded your stop loss will be kept as 6,000 US dollar. And if you win, you can take away 10,000 CNY for reward right after the game. And you'll be have an interview with our photographer and our studio, okay? And all those asset management team will be looking for you to ask you to become the trader of the hedge fund or whatever. All right. And the whole contest or whole tournament will be recorded live. And I'm be very proud to say that I'm going to bring this in Singapore very soon. Okay, so are you excited to join as a contestant to show your live trading capabilities, to show to the world that how you're doing live trades? Okay, is this cool, Joe? Yeah. Yeah. And maybe we're going to send the content to maybe channel 8 or channel U. Okay, so yeah, make yourself, make your parents proud, and all the Singapore asset management firms are looking for you, give you a very nice job. Yeah, you'll be English, no worries, we can make it English one. Who said it has to be Mandarin? But it's just because this match is in Shanghai, so that's why all the things, top traders 3, you can see our ranking, our brand is top trader 3v3. may happen in the US. Wow, next year maybe. Okay, we are going to cover Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Tokyo, and Sydney first. Yeah, but there will be videos out in the next month, so just get ready to watch all the videos. Okay, for the tournaments, it'll be very exciting, very exciting. Right? Oh, really? Thanks, Joe. You're helping me to promote all the social media. Very good. All right, that's all for today, and thanks for coming. And I really hope you have good lessons. Right? You know what to trade. You know, okay, what are the plans? Right? The GBP is still falling very well. Well, okay, good. Yeah, it's good. The GBP falls very well. 3230. Okay, hits my I think first target hit, right? 3230. First target hit. Yeah. First target hit. Good. Could you please post it on YouTube at the earliest? Yes, I will. Yeah, you can look here. You see the top now. Okay, the match starts from July 1st, and now it's July 16th. You can see this guy. This is actually one of my China students. Okay, start from a 2K live account, and now his equity becomes 4,237. Okay, he achieves 111.67% profit. Sorry, the yield. Is this good? After 37 trades. His winning ratio is terribly at 94.59%, and his average profit is 72, average loss is 154. All right. The risk reward ratio not so good, but the winning ratio is so high, and he achieves 111% returns by using the trading system that I teach. Right. So again, this is just shows that trading system can be passed on, and all you need to do is to learn professionally and trade professionally and have a mentorship. All right, see you next time. Sterling yen. All right, find time to short. Okay, sterling yen, find time to short. Okay, it's good short from 149. Okay, nice profit. Okay, it just hit the 0.886 level, and now the price just reversed. Very nice. So short sterling yen have splendid downside room all the way at least 147.80, 147 or 146. Right? Okay, good. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next time. Trade with your plan. Yep. Jingliang, are you coming to Shanghai this weekend? I want to see you. All right, I want to see you. And did you join the contest? Yeah. Okay. And yeah, mommy, please try to learn the videos I sent to you, right? You wish you lived in Asia. Okay. Yeah, Joe. Okay. I hope that you come to visit Singapore or Shanghai in the next, years. Okay, we are going to meet each other. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you next time.